What's up, everybody? So I had a customer come by to drop off a car, and they saw that I mountain bike, and they're like, "Hey, do you work on bikes?" So I am doing new tires and tubes, just a quick little tune-up on one of the old Cannondale Lefties, the single fork bikes, mountain bike. So I'm going to show you guys how to do a tube and tire change and change from Presta to a normal Schrader valve. All right, so the first thing you're going to want to do is take off the rear wheel. A lot of them are different. Some of them have the through bolt and everything, but this one is just a quick disconnect. I'm going to disconnect that. Set that to the side. Pull off the tire. Alright, so now we'll take the cap off of the Presta valve. Set those to the side. We're not saving any of this stuff, so we'll just tear it off this way. Kind of stick your screwdrivers in there and just work it. Try to get that top lip over the tire. These tires are pretty old and dry rotted. That's why he wants them changed. Let's see if I can work that. There we go. Then you're just going to want to work the tire around like that. Then this side, the other side should just pull right off. You're going to pull your tube out. I already did the front. And then you're going to grab your tire and stuff. That, take your inner tube, unwrap that, now for those of you who do not know, the Presta valve is the smaller valve that you need the attachment for, which is like that, the smaller size. The Schrader is a lot larger, so we're going to have to drill out the valve stem hole just a little bit because this obviously won't fit. So I've done this quite a few times. I am going to be using, this is a 5/16 drill bit. So we're going to start on the top side. Just, it's aluminum, so it's nice and slow. I'm through. We'll work it around just a little bit. Now we're going to take a round file. And get all the burrs off. Same thing with here. Doesn't have to be anything crazy. We'll do a quick test fit. We're just going to shove the Schrader valve through here. Fits perfect. So I will show you how to pop on the tire. Cut that. So these tires that I have actually are directional. So I'll unfold it. It's amazing how tight they package these. So it'll go like that. So we'll put the first lip in the rim. And you're just going to want to, just like you took it off, work it around into the rim. Same thing with here. Now I'm actually going with a wider tire as well. So the Schrader valve is there. So now we're going to take our tube, give it a little stretch. We are going to put the valve in the valve stem port, give it a little pull. Now we are going to take your tube, make sure it's all straight, no kinks, bends, anything like that. And just lay it in the tire nicely. Just like so. Grip here. And just start working that tire into that other, working the tire into the other portion of the rim. This can be difficult sometimes. So you're gonna go like this. Work it around, make sure it seats in the rim. It'll fight you. Again, you just want to keep making sure you're not going to puncture that tube when you go to fill it. Nothing ever cooperates when I'm filming. There we go. So now it's going to be probably the best, so you're not fighting with it on the bike, to pinch your valve stem just like that. It'll be a pain. Just grip it. That's leaking. Alright, now there's air in it. I'm just going to take it, bounce it a couple times to make sure that that valve stem, make sure that that valve stem and tube kind of lay right and flatten out. There's no play in that. That fits good. And that's it. Go ahead and put it on. Adjust your pressures. Make sure you tighten your axle bolt back down. And that is it, guys. Super, super simple. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. It's Koffs, KOFFS _customs. Thanks, guys. Be cool. Stay safe.